Namaste everyone, welcome to Physio Vitals. I'm Dr. Ankita Sawan and today's video is on introduction part of joints of upper limb. So joints are the sites where two or more bones are or cartilages articulate. So if you consider a shoulder joint, the humerus bone, which we have already covered in the previous videos of bones of upper limb. So humerus bone, scapula, clavicle, and all these things articulate and form a particular joint. All right, like elbow joint is formed by humerus, radius and ulnar. Distal humerus, proximal radius and ulnar. So 2-3 structures when articulate or join forms a particular type of joint. So a joint, a free movement occurs at the synovial joints. All right, shoulder joint is the most mobile of the body. It provides a lot of movement, flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, internal, external rotation. So, and it is considered, that's the reason it is considered the most mobile joint of the body. And shoulder joint gets excessive mobility at the cost of its own stability. All right, since both are not feasible to the same degree. Carrying angle in relation to elbow joint is to facilitate carrying objects like bucket without hitting the pelvis. Like carrying angle is the angle which it's an angle formed that longitudinal long axis of the humerus and long axis of the forearm. If we take the line, this two line joins and forms a particular angle. Male and female has a different degree of angles. Female, it is carrying angle is more than males because of the wider pelvis. So that's the reason the carrying angle in relation to elbow joint is so is to facilitate carrying objects like bucket without hitting the pelvis. All right, so supination and pronation, as we saw in forearm, supination and pronation are the basic movements for the synovial of human being, survival of the human being, during pronation, like the palm is facing downwards to the floor area. If the palm is facing downwards, that is called pronation. So during pronation the foot is picked, and by supination when the palm is facing towards the ceiling. So in pronation the food is picked, and in supination it is put at the right place, which is the mouth, right? So this is the pronation and supination action. While giving, one pronates, and while getting, one supinates. The first metacarpal joint, first metacarpal joint, which is thumb, allows movements of opposition of thumb with the fingers for picking up and holding things. See, now you need to pay attention to this, that first metacarpal joint is the most important joint because it allows the movement of opposition of the thumb with the fingers. All right, with the fingers to pick up and hold things. Thumb is the most important digit for us. We cannot, half of the thing is done by thumb only. So that is the most important digit. Remember Muni Dronacharya asked Eklavya, you must have all heard about this story. So Dronacharya asked Eklavya to give his right thumb as Guru Dakshina so that he is not able to outsmart Arjun in archery. See, that's the importance of thumb. So first joint of the upper limb in the next video I'm going to cover is the shoulder joint. So this was all about the introduction part of the joint. So you need to understand what joint is. Actually, this is a very basic video, not for the senior years, but for the juniors, like first and so years of 12th standard, or even the first year of MBBS or physiotherapy or whatever. So for these people, this particular bunch of people, have made this introduction video for joints. So in the next video I'll be covering on the shoulder joint, so stay tuned for that. Thank you. I hope this video was hopeful for you all. Stay tuned.